over, you just can't breathe.
Welcome back to my sewing room. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new addition to the family, this size 16 dress form. Now, I have been receiving quite a few questions here on my YouTube as well as on Facebook about whether or not I do plus size sewing. And yes, I do sew for women that are plus size. I'm plus size, but I don't have a dress form that can accommodate a woman that's plus size. I could pad my size 6 dress form out, but it just doesn't give me the correct shaping that the body needs, because a size 6 to a size 16 is a huge amount to pad out. So I decided to go ahead and team up with the shop company to bring you guys a really affordable professional dress form. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So the dress form that I got from the shop company is a size 16 dress form. It has collapsible shoulders and it comes with both arms. I can't remember the exact price of this dress form, but I will leave it here. And I think it is actually a really affordable price to have such a quality dress form. And the shipping was really quickly. We ordered it last week and today is Tuesday and I already have it. So the shipping was like 5 or so days, including the weekend, which I think is really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this package up and let's see if we can put it together.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the
Okay, so this is how it comes in the box. The dress form itself comes bubble wrapped. The stand comes in bubble wrap as well. And then I also have 2 arms. 1 and 2. And then I believe the stand is in here. So let me go ahead and get all this stuff out of the box. We can go ahead and put it together. So they have this package in here really good. So they have each arm packaged in its own separate bubble wrap, and it's tied with this twist tie kind of thing. So then I took that out, and then it has padding on the top of the dress, on the top of the arm to protect the shoulder part of the arm and the little clip part. And both arms are packaged the same way. Then they have the stand here, and they also have that packaged in bubble wrap. And then each side of the stand has a kind of a cap on it. That I guess that is to go ahead and protect the top and the bottom of the stand. And then they have the actual base part in its own little box. So I opened that up and it is wrapped in, not wrapped, but it is encased in a styrofoam. And then you also have the top little screw part for your dress form and the additional screws for the bottom in here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. I start by putting together the base part. So I'm putting the wheels on, and my son's putting the wheels on faster than I am. So I'm putting the wheels on, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on the foot pedal, and then I'm going to put the stand on and screw it to make sure that it's not all wobbly. And then I'm going to get the actual dress form out of the box. Now the dress form is packaged really well, like the rest of the pieces were. The dress form is wrapped in about 2 layers of that bubble wrap, and then it also has a just a plain plastic layer that's underneath the bubble wrap as well. I was just showing you guys here that I didn't realize they had instructions. I've put together quite a few dress forms in my lifetime, so I didn't need the instructions, but if you need them, they are there. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the bubble wrap off and get to the actual dress form. Okay, so in order to put the dress form onto the base, you need to step on the foot pedal, which will help elongate this little metal piece here, and then you just put it onto it. So this is the dress form all put together. This is a really quality dress form, y'all. And notice that it has a little bit of shaping here, and I really like that because it really takes into account what a size 16 really is. It's not just the measurements, it's actually the shape. I noticed that the cloth here is actually really smooth. It's a lot different than this one, which is funny because, I mean, they look similar, but then you can tell, you know, you can really tell the difference in quality in these dress forms. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the arms on the dress form. So put that one in there. Ooh. So really, it just latches in there like that. I actually really like that. Wow. And you get full range of motion here with the arms, even backwards. And then the shoulders do collapse, even with the arms on. Okay, so now that we've unboxed her, I want to go over all of the features. So obviously she is a professional dress form. She has all of the seam lines that you would expect on a dress form, including the waistline seam. She is true to size. She is a size 16. What I really like about this is in the tummy area here, she does have a slight pudge here in the front, and I can actually feel some sort of padding or something in there. Well, it's actually hard, it's not padding, but I can feel something in there that's helping create that shape. And I think that's perfect because size 16, like myself, we do have that little pudge here in the front that we have to account for. So I'm glad that that's here on this dress form and that it's not just measurements, okay? She has collapsible shoulders, so both of her shoulders do collapse in and out, and that's with the arms on. She does come with both arms, and the arms have a full range of motion to the front and the back, and they can easily come on and off. They have this clip, and then there's like an opening here, and you just put it onto there. And I think that's actually really convenient. The other cool feature I want to show you guys is here down at the bottom. So here, as pertains to the wheels, it comes with 2 wheels, which I probably have them on. This probably should be opposite each other, but it's okay. They are 2 wheels that have locking mechanisms on them so that you can lock them, which stops your dress form from scooting all over the place. I noticed that there is also 2 screws here to keep your dress form from wobbling all over the place. Most dress forms that I've encountered only have the 1 screw, but this one does come with 2. The other thing I like about this is it sits a little bit higher up from the ground than normal stands do, and it comes with lubrication here in the wheels to keep the wheels rolling nice and smooth. I also wanted to do a close-up of the instruction guide that they give here. So it says the shop company here in the front. It shows you all of the pieces that should have come in your package, and it tells you step by step how to go ahead and install or how to put together your dress form. And then it says if you ever have any questions about assembly or about your TSC form, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at help@theshopcompany.com. And they are very responsive. I have emailed them back and forth for about a week or 2 now, and they take no longer than, well, they've taken no longer than a couple of hours to respond back to me. I'm not saying that's going to be the case for every single response, and they're a company, but I know for a fact that they do have really nice customer service, and I actually plan on expanding my dress form collection and purchasing a couple more dress forms from them. So that sums up the video. on this dress form. I hope you guys like this story video. I'm really excited to start working with her since she is my size, so I can start creating more things that are my size, like my wedding dress that is coming up. It's going to be a video that's coming up with me making my wedding dress, and I will post that probably at the end of October after I have all the photos, the video, and everything that from the photographer and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to give a special thanks out to the shop company for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous dress form. If you guys are interested in purchasing this dress form, they have them in all the sizes, not just size 16, and they also have children. They have the full body ones, they have men, so they have anything that you will ever need. And I will link their website as well as the link to this dress form that I have down below in the description box.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, check out some of these other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.